Hello, everyone. So, welcome to our Coro Cybersecurity demo series. I am Amar Rafiq, cybersecurity analyst at Qubit Consulting. So, if you are evaluating endpoint protection for your organization, this video is gonna for you guys. So, today I won't show you PowerPoint slides. I won't give you marketing promises. Instead of, I'm going to show you how exactly Coro protects endpoints in real life. We will review real security alerts, real automated responses, real AI detections, and then I will explain how Coro stops attacks before they become business disasters. Let's get started. So here you can see, first let's start from the action board. So this is the action board. This is security command center. Immediately I can see everything happening inside the organization. Even a non-technical person can see, and it's very visible for him and for his understanding. So automated, you can see open tickets and auto resolve, protected users, protected devices, and workspace health score. And instead of opening 10 different security tools, everything appears here. This is one Coro's biggest advantages. One dashboard, one AI, complete visibility, no what we can say, it's totally visible, it's easy to understand. Now let's open security, endpoint security. Here you can see there are different types of module. Coro is a modular cybersecurity platform. It's an all-in-one cybersecurity platform. Here are the different modules: endpoint security, email security, cloud security, EDR, endpoint data governance, and user data governance. So here we start with our series with endpoint security. So here we can see, let's go in endpoint security. 16 devices, no separate sheets, no manual checking. Everything is continuously monitoring. Now look at the top priority section. Notice something like you can see Coro is showing random logs with priorities, threats that actually matter. For example, infected. Let me show you all of the different types of endpoint security incidents. Here we are. So top priority incidents for endpoint security. There are firewall disabled, gatekeeper disabled, USC notification missing, and unencrypted endpoint drive, Wi-Fi phishing, development mode enabled, device password missing. Even the password is missing on your device, on your operating system, it will raise a ticket and tell you, hey, please ensure and make a password authentication for your device. And after that, you can see non-genuine Windows copy. It's very common. Most of the people, they use non-genuine Windows copy, which can be lead to us to and ransomware or in malware inside our operating system. They can hack our systems. So Coro also protect and detect these kind of little things with his AI. Every and raise a ticket, and it will be very clear for you. System integrity protection disable, VSS backup protection. So Coro itself making backup for yourself. Like when a ransomware attacks, Coro already has its VSS backup protection. So it will not encrypt your system. It will protect you from your ransomware. So you can see Apple mobile file integrity disable, infected processes, and malware. So go with the now we can see infected process. Let's begin with the infected processes. So when I open a ticket, when I open this alert, so Coro immediately tells me what happened, and a malicious process was detected. Here you can see our description. The process was automatically terminated. Think about that. No human intervention, no vetting, no analyst required. The take was stopped automatically. Now let's open the full details section. Here you can see model of the device and what operating system at that time the device was exactly using, and the exact process and executable paths. In this example, the suspicious process is ransomware.exe, immediately I know which machine, like which operating system, which process, and what happened. Now let's check activity logs. Uh, so here, Coro records every security action. Nothing is hidden. Everything is documented. Now, notice the action button. So let's go to the action button. Here you can see if the process is confirmed to be legitimate, then I can approve the process immediately. So if the process is legitimate, then I have to approve that process, and it will simply the ticket will be closed, and the process will gonna be executable. But in case if not, I simply close the ticket, and because the Coro has already continued content the thread, this says enormous investigation time. So imagine ransomware. So maybe the question is why this matter. Imagine ransomware start encrypting your accounting server every second. Traditional antivirus may detect it too late, but Coro terminates the malicious process immediately. The difference can save an entire business. Let's close this ticket because it's an actually ransomware attack and 10 Mahmoud. So you can see the ticket is gonna be closed and it is resolved because the the AI of Coro, it works 24/7 without human intervention. It already blocked the executable process device. So the mail uh, uh, yeah, so it's back. Now we can see the ticket, the incident type, malware on endpoint. So it's gonna be our next, and this is a different this is different from infected processes. So you can see here, Coro detected an actual malicious file. Let's open it immediately. We can see file name, thread type, detection. So you can see here everything: file name, thread type, device detection, and uh, virus family, and detection reputation, even file location. In this example, this the file is ransomware.exe, identified as generic ransomware. Let me show you with the full details. You can see parallel key. So here you can see generic ransom, Loki, and the main score already known this malware family. No guessing, no manual analysis. Now look at the available action: approve or discard file. So here you can see approved and discard file, other than exclude follower from the malware, and the contact user. Again, everything can be managed directly from the console. So imagine one employee downloads malware from email. Instead of separating across the e-company, Coro isolates it immediately. Your HR department keeps working, finance keeps working, sales keep working, business continues. This is the real endpoint protection. So now let's move to the one of my favorite tickets. So let's like discard this file, and it's gonna be and close this ticket. You can see there are two malware and malware on pen tickets are generated. So we just resolve it, and it's gonna be happen, and the ticket has been closed now. So now let's move to the again action board and go to the another type of endpoint security. So which is a VSS backup protection. Most ransomware attacks do something before encryption. They delete Windows shadow copies. So why? Because victims cannot restore files. Coro detects this behavior immediately instead of waiting until files are encrypted. Coro blocks the deletion attempt itself. That means even if ransomware starts, your recovery options remain available. This feature alone can save companies hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, let's go with the system integrity protection, another type of malware. endpoint protection and security, system integrity protection. So now let's check that system integrity protection is disabled. On macOS, system integrity protection protects critical operating system files. If someone disables it, malware gain much more freedom. Coro immediately detects this change instead of silencing accepting it. Administrators receive a high priority alert. Now they can investigate whether the change was intentional or malicious. So you can see uh, you can do whatever you want. It's very visible. It's from there, and you can immediately contact user, go to the what's happening, and now we can go to another endpoint security protection, which gonna be firewall disabled. Let me one of them. Yeah, this is one of Coro's best usability features. So notice this button, apply quick fix. So just click on that. Instead of asking the users to manually configure Windows firewall, Coro lets administrators enable protection directly. One click, problem solved. No remote session, no complicated troubleshooting. This is dramatically reduce IT workload. So you can see simply just you know click apply and it just fix your problem. So this is how Coro works. It's very easy. It's very visible and it's very even a non-technical background person can use this and they can resolve tickets and can protect his system and can understand what's going in his environment. So now let's the endpoint security continues to monitors many other important risks. So missing passwords, non-genuine Windows copy, and Wi-Fi phishing, gatekeeper disabled in unencrypted drives, development mode enabled, Apple file integrity, USC disabled, and there aren't just compliance checks. Every one of them represent a real attacks vector. Instead of discovering these weaknesses after an incident, Coro finds them before attackers do. This is a proactive security. So no human intervention can proactively protect your system 24 by 7. But Coro AI can do it's for you. So most companies today manage antiviruses, EDR, firewall, and backup protection, device compliance, patch monitoring, encryption using separate vendors, multiple dashboards, multiple licenses, multiple alerts, like huge puzzles, and it's like no visibility, no, not easy to understand what's going on. Multiple administrators. Coro combined these capabilities into one all AI-driven platform. So less complexity, faster response, lower cost, higher security. So you can say endpoint security is no longer about detecting viruses. Today's attacker move faster than traditional security products, and organizations need automation. Without automation, nothing is exists nowadays. So they need AI, they need visibility. Most importantly, they need response in seconds, not hours. Uh, uh, this exactly what Coro delivers. So if you would like to see Coro protects your own environment, we offer a free live demonstration. We will assess your current security posture, identify existing risks, and showing you exactly how Coro can simply unify your security operations. Yeah. So no obligations, no pressure, just practical cybersecurity talent to your business. If you are already to strengthen your organization security, contact Qubit Consulting today. Uh, and thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next episode, which is gonna be cloud security and discover how a cloud we can protect cloud security. And there are different types of protection suspected boot attacks, abnormal admin activities, impossible traveling, malware in cloud, mass data deletion, mass data download, access permissions, violations, suspected compromises. So there's a lot in Coro. Coro protects you 24 by 7, and it protects you. It's an all-in-one protected system, and you can see there are all other modules of Coro, and it also provides your employees cybersecurity awareness training. So that's pretty much from my side. We'll meet you in another sector, in other session. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for bearing me a lot. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.